Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like Avast or other like that things from your DOOGEE T20. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways. The first way is by the system settings, so we have to open the system settings of course, then go to the apps. Choose CL apps and check the list, all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before, the app that you have not recognized the name of it, just tap on it, choose install and click OK. After that, go to the app list again and look for your web browser. Choose storage and cache and tap on the manage space, choose clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download Antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for your Antivirus. So I'm always using Avast, so we have to click next and skip. Close to ads. And now we have to choose continuous free and tap on the green circle. Tap on the allow, select the permissions to the files and go back to the Antivirus app. Choose your scan time, I will use the deep scan, and now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, malwares, viruses shall be deleted from your tablet. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.